Today we talk about how can you select who can comments on your family album app. We go to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on settings down here. So you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. You come here to allow album member upload. Sorry, you click here on configure album. This is here. Then you click here on comment settings. You just click on it here. So then here can you select who can comments here and this list. If you want to add everyone or album admins only or turn off commenting here. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.